Since then, I just know the name. However, I haven't seen the movie at all. Now, and being a performer myself, when I think it would have been a better, life when if it was being released in as a commercial movie. Now we go ahead and say that there's a lot of things which have been happening, a lot of improvement, but this was indeed a groundbreaking. And congratulations to all of you. And thank you very much for bringing it to our generation, because I think this is really important. And I believe that my generation people should go ahead and see it. And especially the drag performers, whomsoever is there, it is an Indian representation. And I really laughed the entire movie when I was watching it. It was really joyful.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you for that. Like basically, we hoping to put it back in more distribution channels for sure. The universities across the world basically took it up to write about the film and make it part of their curriculum per se of gender and sexuality. That has been very encouraging for us. Yeah.
The film is never looking aging. Let me tell you, it looks so fresh.
That is so true.
Really, I'm saying the
Yeah.
BGM and it's very up to the what's going on. It's not too over or something, but to the mark. I
In
feel it
fact,
looks very fresh. It feel like it's 2-3 year old kind of a thing. So
in fact,
really, I don't know how you.
as a gay man, in fact, more than I was able to connect it with the movie at the first screening so many years ago, 17, 18 years ago. Today, when I watched it, I was just laughing and connecting with every single thing, every single moment. I connected with way more than I have actually done in the past. So yeah, definitely true. Sridhar, great job, man. I mean, this is so amazing.
And Sridhar also and Sagar also, since
And remember,
Sagar
Mandy,
looks same.
we finished the shoot in 3 days.
Ah, same.
Yeah, 3 days.
No.
Yeah. Almost
Yeah,
nothing too much
I
has
remember.
changed. The cap has changed, maybe. The background might Sagar's background might has changed. I remember you used to stay in that Friends College or something like that. That's been demolished now.
That
It's
was
been.
long back. Yeah, that's right.
I used to come there. I don't know.
That's
I
right.
signed that day
Sanchi, you want
something.
to say something?
Yeah, hi, thank you so much for the screening as
Sanchi has been very quiet. If you want.
well.
Please stop talking.
No, it's been wonderful listening to all of you, because it actually gives us a perspective what goes on behind the scenes as well. And especially like Rishi also mentioned, just like, collecting after, like being together after 18, 19 years and listening to you guys. So it does give us a very different perspective. What I was interested in is, of course, the title. It's really fascinating, and I think it's been captured in a couple of frames as well. So if any of you can just shed some light on that.
So yeah, basically we thought like, I mean, pink is a color of gay men. The drag queens spend most of their time, was their life in front of the mirror. So we decided that Pink Pira Gulabi Ada was a good title. I mean, now it's become very iconic per se over the years. At the point of time, it was really, I mean, we said like, okay, this is interesting. And we, of course, we showed that particular mirror with the.
Yeah, that's great. And do you have any plans
So
before
I
a
think we
sequel,
can.
or like something featuring drag kings this time? Because you don't see a lot of drag kings in India. Like the scene is just evolving right now. So what about that? I think that would be
That's
a
right.
great project.
That's right. In fact, like we planned to do a sequel of Gulabi Aina with the same characters, but it never happened. Of course, then I mean, we were dreaming of it then. It never happened at that point of time. And Edwin Fernandez, the lead actor, passed away. And now it's, of course, the whole thing is shelved.
And
per
Mandy
se.
looks like this. Mandy's turned into a daddy now.
I just have to say,
Mandy's a daddy.
we were trying to piece together who's playing who, and we just could not recognize you. Like, who is playing Mandy?
So I think a film on drag kings is a great idea. I know quite a few drag kings in Mumbai. So definitely I think it's a good idea I need to understand the culture. It's not a culture which I'm associated with per se. So before writing it or even thinking about it, I would rather just interact with them more, understand their aspirations and culture, and then maybe do it, or maybe work with a LBT person themselves to bring that on screen, not take it upon myself and Sagar, who are just gay men, to work with LBT women or trans men to bring that particular film on screen for sure. That's a good idea. Thank you.
Yeah, something along the lines of Purple Skies, like that documentary style.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
That's
Oh, you have
that-
seen all our films.
Quite a fan here.
Thank
Oh,
you.
wow.
So next on 17th of December, we plan to screen Breaking Free.
17th of December.
Sorry, no, 17th of May. What am I saying?
Oh.
Sorry.
I don't want to be locked down that long.
So, 17th of May is Idaho Day, International Day Against Homophobia is 17th May. So we want to screen Breaking Free. So if you can do join in on the 17th, I'll send you an invite. Ramesh, you want to say anything? You've been very quiet.
Yeah.
Just listening to everyone. I miss Edwin.
Same
I
here,
know.
same here.
We all miss it.
This
Yeah.
December, 5 years he'll complete.
Yeah. So that's a bit of a sad thing. I wish he was here with us.
Really, I heard that it was really bad news that day.
Yeah.
I heard from somebody.
But he's left behind some beautiful things, memories with all of us to look at. I mean, memories on reel
Yeah,
right now. So I'm so happy that's happened. That's how I'm going to remember him. It's amazing.
I know.
Ramesh, what are you? Is this a mustache or this is some pack what you're wearing?
It's my fact.
What is that?
Reel Milai.
Check it out. Check it out.
Yeah, it's mustache. No, it was
It's
really
Babu Jagjeevan Ram's
fun.
mustache.
Jagjeevan Ram.
Yeah.
Those were very good days. Yeah, there were 3 days. No, really.
I know.
Yeah. I remember
Had a
Sunday
lot of fun.
Saturday early morning call time. There used to be this idli wala who'd come to the set piche or through the window where we would do our makeup and our outfit changes. I would like buy those idlis. All of us would have them together. Those are the memories I really like live with and miss.
But I remember how scared I was to shoot this film at those days. I mean, the media was hounding us for doing on the set interviews and stuff like that. You know, that I don't know if Ramesh or Rishi knows that. But basically, a channel, I think ZTV or Z News or somebody wanted to making of the first drag queen film. And we were really scared. I said, no, you can't come at all to the sets. So it was quite something to
You were scared of the media. I was scared of these 3 people.
Rufi, what are you saying? You and I were fighting on the set.
That's the first day. I'm saying first day I was scared. I mentioned first day. But I was very keen to take the project, no matter what.
Great. Great.
So
You were there and you did it.
Yes.
Yeah. And we are still in touch with the people who worked on the makeup, Edwin's assistant, Ankit, who still does the makeup for all our projects even today, you know.
Wow.
So that's been a good, Edwin has again left behind a whole set of wonderful
Legacy
makeup
of, like,
artists, you know, trained makeup artists, and they're really amazing. And we continue to work with them for sure. You know? Okay, I think let's end this
Thanks
session.
for
I
this
think
moments.
we can, thanks a lot. Really
Thanks,
appreciate
Sridhar.
that. And
Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Rufi, bye.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye. Hopefully, we'll see sometime.
Yep,
bye,
sure.
Sati,
Yes.
Shastri.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Stay
Bye-bye.
healthy and stay safe. All of
Yeah,
you. Bye.
All of you do.
Bye, Sridhar. Thank you so much.
Bye, Sridhar.
Bye, Rishi.
Thanks.
Mandy, bye.
Sakshi. Shastri,
Bye,
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 guys.
bye, bye.
Bye, Sagar.
Bye.
Bye.
How to switch it off? That also gives us instruction.